See, in this video, I'm going to cover two very important ideas. First one is masturbation, and second one is insecurity. I'm going to cover the first one, that is masturbation. See, if you do lot of masturbation, if you ejaculate a lot, if you are really like you are just ejaculating each and every day, and you are just not, you will not able to get successful in your life, in my opinion. Because if when you ejaculate a lot, when you do a lot of sex, you don't have that much amount of energy left to focus on your goal. If you want to focus, or if you want to become a big man, if you want to become a very successful man, but you are addicted to pornography, masturbation, sex, sorry bro, you will not able to achieve that goal. Even if you are very dedicated toward your goals, even if you are very talented, even if you are very serious, even if you are really that कि भाई मेरे को जिंदगी में कुछ करना है, इवन इफ यू आर जस्ट कि भाई मेरे को ना कुछ अपनी जिंदगी में करना है, यू आप एवरेज लोगों से ऊपर हो, आप एवरेज लोगों से, यू आर थिंकिंग बियॉन्ड एवरेज पीपल, एंड यू आर जस्ट, बट यू विल नॉट एबल टू सक्सेस in your life. Because if you, there is a concept called in thermodynamic, there is a concept called there is a concept, you will not you can't create energy, or you can't destroy energy, okay, but you can redirect your energy. But if you are spending a lot of energy towards this kind of things, ejaculating a lot, doing sex a lot, you will not able to focus on your goals. You are not able to, you will not able to focus a lot of focus on your goals. Let me just explain why. See, if you, there is a concept in thermodynamics, in science, there is a concept in science called thermodynamics, in which you will not you are not able to you will never able to destroy your energy, you will not able to create energy, but you can redirect your energy towards whatever you want to do. But if you are wasting your, I'm not saying that masturbation, I'm not saying that sex is not good, it is good, but if you are just really doing each and every day, if you are ejaculating each and every day, if you are doing masturbation each and every day, you don't have that much amount of energy left to focus on your goals. So let me just take my example. When I masturbate, on that particular day, my focus really, I'm not able to focus on, I just lost the capability of my focusing on any particular task. I just lost my capability of focusing on my task, working on my task. Literally, I just, I just collapse. I just collapse my progress, because I, on that day, I masturbate. Why this happens? Because I think so, as a human, we are like smartphone. When you charge your smartphone in the morning, and you reach the maximum amount of charging, that is 100%. But if you don't, if you just but in my opinion, there is a you got two choices. Spend your battery percentage on apps that you, that will not contribute in your success, like Instagram, YouTube, reel scrolling. But the in another, the second one option is कि आपके पास ऑप्शन दिया गया है कि आप ऐसे चीज़ों में अपनी बैटरी परसेंटेज को लगाओ. यूज़ योर बैटरी परसेंटेज ऑन दोज वर्क्स, लाइक कि भाई कंटेंट क्रिएशन हो गया, या भाई वीडियो एडिट करनी हो गई, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, इस सब में तुम तुम्हारी एनर्जी को लगाओ. या तो तुम अपनी ये सेक्स हो गया, ये मास्टरबेशन हो गया, ये सब में एनर्जी लगाओ. एंड एट द एंड ऑफ द डे, if you spend a lot of battery percentage on your masturbation, sex, you are not, you don't have that much amount of energy to focus on your goal. Maximum you have 20 to 25 or 30% max battery percentage to invest in your goals. So that's why I'm telling you that please control your masturbation, please control your ejaculation. That is very important. That is really necessary. If you're a man, if you want to become a successful man, please decrease your libido. I know my English is terrible, but please control on your libido, please control on your masturbation, ejaculation, sex, bro. Please, if you are a young man like me, if you are 20 years old, please bro, as a 20-year-old guy, I'm not able to do any single task. I have lots of freedom, I can do, I have lots of time, but I'm not able to give my time on my goals. Why? Because I'm just wasting my energy towards that fucking चूतिया goals. मैं अपनी एनर्जी ना फालतू में वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, ये सेक्स, पोर्नोग्राफी, इंस्टाग्राम, यूट्यूब पे फालतू वीडियो देखने में. तो मेरे पास ना बैटरी परसेंटेज बच ही नहीं रही है, 30 to 45% मेरे पास बैटरी, मतलब मेरे पास बैटरी परसेंट इतनी बची नहीं रही कि अगर मैं सुबह चार्ज हो जाता हूँ तो शाम तक मेरे पास बैटरी परसेंटेज इतनी बचती नहीं कि मैं अपने अपने गोल्स पे काम लगाऊं। मतलब 70 to 80% बैटरी परसेंटेज में अपनी इंस्टाग्राम यूट्यूब पे फालतू चीजें देखने में बिता देता हूँ, तो 20% में तुम क्या ही उखाड़ लोगे। एक 80-20 रूल करके होता है कि तुम 20% किसी एक जगह पे लगाओ, तुम्हें 80% रिजल्ट मिलेगा। मतलब ठीक है, ये कॉन्सेप्ट मेरे को 20 मिनट डालना चाहिए, बस एक दिमाग में आ गया। बट देयर इज बट at the end of the day you are very less amount of energy left to focus on your goal, and that time you will be regret, you will get lots of regret, you will doubt yourself a lot, भाई मेरे से कुछ नहीं होगा, I will not able to do any single thing, मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊंगा अपने जीवन में। क्यों नहीं कर पाओगे? अगर तुम सुबह उठ के ये सब फालतू चीजें कर रहे हो, अगर इसकी जगह तुम अपनी एनर्जी को टुवर्ड्स योर गोल्स लगा दो, हो जाओगे सक्सेसफुल। मैं ये नहीं बोल रहा हूँ कि उस चीज में नहीं लगाओ, धीरे धीरे अपने एनर्जी को शिफ्ट, और लोग भी इसमें ये करते हैं, पीपल डू अ लॉट ऑफ मिस्टेक्स इन दिस, दैट दे शिफ्ट देयर डायरेक्शन डायरेक्टली ऑन द नेक्स्ट डे, दे जस्ट डिसाइड कि भाई मेरे को बस हो गया, बहुत हो गया, एंड एट दैट दे जस्ट डिसाइड कि भाई आई जस्ट वांट टू शिफ्ट माय on that night they just decided I just want to shift my I just want to redirect my energy towards from sex and all that kind of things, masturbation, and just want to shift the towards my goals. This is the wrong approach. You will not able to sustain that. You will get a lots of craving, and most probably you will just collapse. You will collapse your progress, and ultimately you will generate a lots and lots of self doubt. So here's the solution, please. Do on alternate days, do masturbation on alternate days. एक दिन छोड़ के एक दिन करो, दो, फिर धीरे धीरे ना इसको एक दिन करो, 2 दिन के लिए गैप रखो। मैंने ऐसे करके अपना मास्टरबेशन कम करा है, मास्टरबेशन एडिक्ट कम किया, लिबिडो अपना कम करा है। तो ऐसा करो एक दिन, फिर है ना 2 हफ्ते के लिए ये करो। पहला अप्रोच की डू वन डे मास्टरबेशन, वन डे गैप, वन डे मास्टरबेशन, वन डे गैप, डू इट फॉर 2 weeks, एंड देन डू 1 week वन डे मास्टरबेशन, 2 day रेस्ट, 1 day मास्टरबेशन, 2 day रेस्ट। दिस ऐसे आप करते करते ना कम हो जाएगा आपका लिबिडो, आपका मास्टरबेशन की एडिक्शन, एंड फिर ना तुम्हारी एनर्जी ना धीरे धीरे वो सेक्स वो सब चीज़ों से हटके धीरे 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 ना तुम्हारे गोल्स की तरफ शिफ्ट होगी। इट विल टेक टाइम, इट विल नॉट हैपन इन 1 month, 2 month, 3 month,